Hi, I'm your host, Amelia, on the Portmore Talent Show, and today we're with the big bad artist right out of Portmore, none other than Traqtion. We're gonna take a quick break, and when we come back, we'll get more out of Traqtion.
Yeah, me know I say me great dog. You know, see, say man a brave heart. Me a pray and you hear Lord. So for everyone we need you, please be dear Lord.
Welcome back, viewers, to the Portmore Talent Show, and once more, I'm your girl, Amelia. Today, I'm with the one and only Traqtion. So, Traqtion, wagwan.
Yeah, man, you know, thing good.
Yeah, man, everything good, Traqtion.
Yeah, man.
So what is your government name though?
My government name still DeMarco Bryan.
DeMarco. We have a
Yeah.
DeMarco before, and I hope that you look great in the music video as well. Where were you born and where did you grow up?
Well, I born at Princess Margaret Hospital at St. Thomas.
Hmm.
Yeah. Grew up in a seafood and run with a mobby. You see, then run we come a Portmore. That's time there now though.
Can see you going very far, Traction. Which school did you attended?
Well, and then basic school,
Basic,
primary school and
primary,
high
high
school, so yeah.
school.
So well, my basic school C4 7 day Adventist. Yeah.
Mhm.
Primary school C4 primary. And first high school at St. Thomas Technical. Then me transfer to C4 high school.
Mhm.
So basically it was
Been
C4.
around
Yeah.
C4. All right. All right. So, what event happened showed you that you had this talent?
Well, you know what I said differently one day my mother play one song, Michael Bolton. And I did hear me listen to the song and I said, no man, the song is so good and I eye that I start write what I do lyrics. Same time.
Uh huh.
And I said to my mother, say, oh, listen to all this song. And she said, yo, the lyrics sit not fit, but your voice.
Mhm.
You know you could have sing me, boy. I said, Chacha. Then, when I leave basic school now, from my basic school choir, yeah, I leave my basic school choir. That's when I figure out, say, I could have sing like,
Oh.
yeah, basically. Mm-hmm.
So you have
That's
it.
it. Yeah, man.
No problem. And what? Where do you say you performed and how were you received?
Well, I'm not lie still. I don't know if I born feet or I don't know if I want energy me I roll with when
Mm-hmm.
I transform in that zone there. You know, people always fascinated to a level
All right.
where I'm me surprised.
Well received. Born for it, man.
Yeah, man.
So, apart from singing, what other talent do you have?
Jaja no. Never lie
You
still.
look multi-talented, you know.
Can write
Write songs.
anything. Can write.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Can write.
So we can look forward to know that any music that you put out there, it's your own.
And well written.
Well written. I like
Yeah.
that. All right. So do you have any recorded songs?
Well, yeah, man. I have about 6 or 7 released from a Vivo. Yeah, man. Street Shellers Records. Yeah, man.
Shall us record?
Yeah, man.
Great. Do you have any music video or any recorded performance to say that if I want to check them out, where I can actually go to check them out?
Well, yeah, I have release one video so far. I have one more for release in the December, but I have a one song from Vivo named Great, type of official video feed. So
Awesome.
yeah, so if you want to check out the Vivo,
Definitely.
yeah, so Traqtion spelled different from the regular Traqtion, you know. So it's Traqtion. Zine. Yeah, so Traqtion Vivo, and you
Uh-huh.
can check it out.
Will
Never
do.
lie.
And are you signed with a manager or a booking agent?
Yeah, man. Same Street Shellers Record.
All right.
Zine.
So
The
there you
whole
have it.
team.
Street Shellers record. So while in the music video traction or in the
Yeah.
music industry, right?
Mhm.
What can you say that you learn or what you get from it?
When we learn, say, I don't want to fear it here. And I just wake up and say, I'm going to bust a man.
Mhm.
I just have a dream. Say, no, nothing like that.
Put in work.
And if you say just put in work alone, take the right energy, And more time you put in the work with the energy when I write. So it can
True.
bring off some music where it sound good to you, but not right. You see?
Absolutely.
So the energy where you bring with it, I gonna make you know, say, yo, alright, you know that this can go somewhere. So the energy, yeah.
All right. Like that. Really like that.
Mm.
How far would you want to carry this, like your music career?
How far I want to carry, but how far it gonna carry me still, cause as I say, I'm born with the talent. More time I don't even know how I do it. More time I sit down and I write, and when I done write 3-4 months after me I made and I say, oh, where me get that from? Oh, cause enough time I don't know. I just write, and then after it just fit in. So yeah.
So Traqtion, for a person who actually writes and know that the music will be well written,
Mm.
and you have other talents, do you have any advice for young people?
Well, yeah, man, only for advice, but we'll just keep it simple.
Mhm.
So have your head for your body. Anything you want. It's not gonna say anything you want to go for, but there's no where you want. So once you know where you want, you have an idea where you go. You see? So that you have to work on.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. So there you have it, guys. We spoke to the one and only Traqtion. So we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we get more from Traqtion.
Yeah, me know say me great dog. You know, see, say man a braver. Me hold the faith that me stay strong. A lucky thing me never ease on. Yeah, me know say me great dog. You know, see, say man a braver. Me a pray and you hear Lord. So for everyone we need you, please be dear Lord. Father, oh Lord, me need you to be my guide. Me can't do this without you, me need you right now. How much more me have to face until my time come? Because me not give up on the journey. And that's why me know say me great dog. You know, see, say man a braver. Me hold the faith that me stay strong. A lucky thing me never ease on. Yeah, me know say me great dog. You know, see, say man a braver. Me a pray and you hear Lord. So for everyone we need you, please be dear Lord.
You don't know Traqtion I represent the Portmore Talent Show. Yeah, man, where they are going all a good vibe. So social media basically a Traqtion music, which is Traqtion music. Zine, for get to me like music wise, you don't know you have to go across the Street Shellers Records page. You see what I say? And bookings this and everything else. So you get to Shellers, you get to me. Basically.
So welcome back, viewers. We just took a look at Traqtion music video. Great. And I must say it's a great look. So we have come to the end of the interview segment of this episode on Portmore Talent Show. And Traqtion, I must say, I really do appreciate you being on the show here. So really appreciate you, okay?
Yeah, man, respect and good vibe.
Good vibes. We look
Yeah, man.
forward to getting even better vibes, greater
Alright.
vibes. All right?
Never lie.
All right.